Welcome to Rajvi's Fan Club. Since Valentine's is coming soon, we're making these hearts. For making this Valentine wall piece, you'll need a foam heart, a piece of rope, a glue stick. Here we have a black marker and a red marker that we'll need. We have some big googly eyes, so ginormous. We have six short white strips, 2 red strips, 2 white long strips. Over here we have our heart, and now I'm gonna punch a hole. Next, take the rope and make it so skinny that it fits in the hole. Okay, now I'm gonna pull the rope like that. Then I'm gonna take a little of it out from the back and pass it through this and pull it. Next, put the glue on the first googly eye and plant it and put it right over there. Look, that's our first googly eye, and make it really hard that it stays. You can make eyelashes like me, or you can make eyebrows. Next, make a cute little mouth. I'm gonna make an open mouth so I can color it. Okay, I'm gonna close the marker, and here we have our heart almost done. Next, take these 2 strips, make them even. Then take it and fold it, one side in front and one side behind, and keep going like this. Make it so tight it will get secured by pressing it. Here we have our leg. Next, flip the heart over and stick the leg over there. Here, you need to make sure they start at the same size by measuring your finger and see if anyone cuts out. Let's make our cute hearts on the bottom for shoes or feet. Next, take 1 white strip and glue one position, whichever side you want, to it, and take this. Out of a paper strip, I made a ring like a cylinder. Next, I'll take another strip and this. I'll thread it through, take the glue it, take this, and press it together after you glue it. Then take a glue stick again and repeat. Next, take the glue stick and red strip. Then glue a tip really less, but really less glue, so it's easier to attach. So you have a circle, and you can also glue it on and start gluing. There. Next, these two hands are ready. And now I need to take this white portion, put it like this, glue it, take it off, and take this like this. Take it slowly and glue the hand on the body. Oh no, I'm missing one of my hands. And then take the second hand, glue it like this, put this there, and just stick. There you have them ready. And make sure to keep them the same size as a circle. If you want, you can make earrings, eyebrows, or a tongue or a nose. And it will look really pretty. If you like my video, then be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it and share it with friends. I also hope that you have a great Valentine's.